In this problem, we're trying to figure out what is the velocity of the Earth in its orbit around the Sun. Now we're given two pieces of information. We're given the distance between the Earth and the Sun, and the Earth goes in a circle around the Sun. And we're given a time that we're going to assume it takes, 365 days. Now, that's a little bit short, but we're not going to worry about that. Okay, so the Earth is going in a circle around the Sun, and we know the radius, right? If we have the Sun, boom, 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 the Earth's going in this circle around it, and we know that distance. And so we can figure out the circumference of that circle. The circumference is going to be 2 pi times the radius, which in this case is going to be 2 pi, times 149,500 million, and then 0.00000. And so that gives us a circumference. Let's go calculate that real quick. 149,500,000,000. And so the circumference C is going to be equal to times, remember pi is a function, times that distance. And we get 9.39336 times 10 to the 11th, right? And that E plus 11 means times 10 to the 11th in Excel. It's an engineering notation that we use all the time. So 9.39336 times 10 to the 11th. The other piece we have is we have 365 days, but we need to convert 365 days into seconds, right? We've got to get to seconds. Well, we know we've got 24 hours per day, and that'll get rid of days and get us to hours. And we know that we have 3,600 seconds per hour. That'll get us from hours to seconds. So we go off and we calculate this. So we have 365, we have 24, we have 3,600. Okay, and we're just doing the product of these three. To get, what is that? 31,536,000 seconds. Oh, and up here, my apologies, we have meters. Now we're after the velocity in meters per second. Well, we have this time, and the velocity is just going to be distance over time. So we need this 9.39336 times 10 to the 11th meters divided by 3153600 seconds. Well, back over to Excel. Here's the great thing about using Excel rather than here's our time, rather than a calculator, is all we have to do now is go, okay, I'm going to take the value I got for C, I'm going to divide it by the value I got for time, and I'm going to get 29,786 meters per second. And that's it for this problem.